Good morning, and thank you for tuning in to your daily Wallops weather briefing for Tuesday, June 5th. We're seeing some more sunshine today than we did see yesterday, and we are going to be seeing some warmer temperatures as well as we get a more southwesterly flow develop ahead of some more rain and a chance of thunderstorms later this evening. Taking a look at our conditions across the area from yesterday, it was a fairly seasonable day across the region for most locations across the mid-Atlantic. We did see temperatures in the upper 70s for many locations across the Delmarva, including Salisbury and here at Wallops. Some locations did get to 80 degrees near the Tidewater and near our nation's capital. This morning we did see some fairly seasonable lows as well, with many locations reporting lows hovering around 60 degrees. Some cooler spots were Salisbury and Ocean City, which did see temperatures dip down in the mid-50s, with the cool spot being Baltimore, with no surprises there, down to 53. Taking a look at our temperatures of 9 a.m., we are seeing most locations rise into the 70s already. The only spots that hadn't gotten to 70 as of 9 a.m. were DC and Dover. Here at Wallops, we were already at 73, already pushing into the mid to upper 70s as we get into the late morning hours here under partly cloudy skies. Taking a look at our sounding from this morning, we were seeing some variable winds at the surface up to about 1,000 feet, and then those winds were starting to increase from the northwest at 3,000 feet, around 13 knots, and then 25 to 30 knots from the west-northwest between 6 and 9,000 feet. And then we were seeing winds a little bit quicker at the upper levels than we have been seeing lately, seeing them continuing to be zonal, rising from 35 knots at 12,000 feet, slowly up to 61 knots at the 25,000 foot level. Freezing levels a little bit lower this morning as well, just above 12,000 feet. Taking a look at our satellite and radar loop here this morning, you could see those mid and upper level clouds streaming across the southern portion of the mid-Atlantic here on this map. We did see those light and variable winds in the beginning of this loop, but since then we are starting to see those winds pick up just a little bit from the west-southwest, and we do anticipate them to continue to pick up a bit as we go towards the late morning hours from the southwest, and that will help raise our temperatures up into the lower 80s as we go towards this afternoon and early this evening. Taking a look at our surface analysis, we see high pressure over the midwestern portions of the country this morning. Meanwhile, we have a cold front south of the Great Lakes, and that is currently pushing southward towards our area, and we are going to continue to see that cold front push southwards throughout the day today. That's going to help to turn our winds more southwesterly, giving us a little bit of a warm up into the low 80s, which is going to be warmer than we saw the past couple days here. And then as we go into tonight, or to this evening, as that cold front approaches, we're going to see those winds pick up a bit with those prefrontal winds, possibly seeing a wind advisory, but not until after the workday, after about 5 or 6 p.m. Looks like the best time for those winds to pick up to 25 to 30 knots. And then we are going to be seeing those that cold front bring us a chance of showers and thunderstorms, mainly after 8 p.m. and through about midnight. We could be seeing a lingering shower or two through about 2 or 3 a.m., but the best chances will be between that 8 p.m. and midnight hour for some scattered showers and isolated thunderstorm activity with that cold front passage. Taking a look at our forecast map for today, you can see that cold front will be slowly moving its way south as it approaches the area. As we go into this evening, that cold front is going to pass our region sometime between 8 p.m. and midnight, giving us those showers and thunderstorms like I had mentioned, with the showers lingering possibly until 2 a.m. or 3 a.m. And then as we go into tomorrow morning, we are going to see some high pressure start to build into the west of the area with some lingering moisture. We are going to be seeing those winds shift more northeasterly by the middle of the day Wednesday. That is going to keep an onshore flow over the area, giving us some marine air with some mostly cloudy skies continuing throughout our day Wednesday. So it is going to be much cooler behind that cold front, and also going to be not going to see much sun to help raise the temperatures either. So we are going to be expecting highs in the low 70s for tomorrow. Then as we go into Thursday, we'll start to see high pressure settle over the area. It is going to be, it's not really depictable on this map, but high pressure should be developing right over the mid-Atlantic, and that's going to give us a very seasonable day under partly cloudy skies. Taking a look at our weather chart for today, clear of any weather hazards through the main workday through 4 p.m. and then we're going to see the chance of those winds start to pick up after 4 p.m. in response to that front approaching the area. We're going to see our high today of 82 with those southwesterly winds. And then after 8 p.m., that's when that cold front is going to start impacting the area with some scattered shower activity and perhaps even a thunderstorm or two, mainly between 8 p.m. and midnight. That front should then move south of the area, possibly still seeing a lingering shower or two after the midnight hour until about 2 or 3 in the morning. We are going to see a mild low tomorrow morning of 64 degrees, and we are going to be seeing after that frontal passage those winds shift more northwesterly than northerly by mid-morning Wednesday. Taking a look at our terminal forecast, we're currently seeing few at 7,500, and we've seen those upper-level cirrus clouds really stream into the area, and that's going to be the case for much of the workday today, just seeing some clouds between about 5,000 and 7,000 feet, and then that scatter to broken cirrus deck. And then as we go into this evening, we'll start to see those lower-level clouds thicken up a bit as that cold front approaches, and then when we get those rain chances coming, we'll see those ceilings drop to around 4,000 feet, becoming overcast at around 7,000 feet, and any showers and storms. After the cold front passes, still going to be seeing some lingering lower level clouds, so you can expect that ceiling to remain around 4,000 or 5,000 feet throughout the night and into tomorrow morning as well. We're still continuing to see tides about 1 foot above normal. Taking a look at the next couple days here, tomorrow we're going to see that northeasterly flow across the area, keeping us under mostly cloudy skies with a cooler high of 74. Tomorrow night, we are going to be seeing mostly cloudy skies continuing. Could be seeing a slight chance of some patchy fog late Wednesday night or early Thursday morning with a low of 59 expected. And then Thursday, looking at a pretty seasonable day as high pressure settles over the region. Could be seeing some patchy fog in the morning as winds are going to be pretty light. And we are going to be seeing partly cloudy skies, perhaps briefly mostly cloudy at times Thursday afternoon with a very seasonable high of 76 for a Thursday. Taking a look at the next 7 days here, we are going to be seeing some, after we get those showers and thunderstorms this evening, we're going to be seeing a couple of days that are with seasonable weather for Wednesday and Thursday with highs in the mid-70s. And then Thursday evening, we're going to see that high slowly shift east of the area, giving us a little bit more of a southerly flow. So that's going to bump up our low temperatures again for Friday morning, only getting down into the mid-60s. Friday is going to be a warmer day. It's going to be 81 degrees. If we get those winds shifting a little more southwesterly, could be even seen a little bit more warmer than that, but it does look like our wind's going to be more southerly off the water, so that's going to cap our temperatures off into the low 80s for Friday under partly cloudy skies as that high pressure moves east of the area and builds. On Saturday, we are going to be having a more southwesterly flow. We're also going to be getting a lot more moisture starting to move into the area, and we are going to be seeing some lighter winds. With those lighter winds and that moisture in the region, it is looking possible that we're going to be seeing some pop-up storms as a lee trough develops and a weak front develops to the west of the region. So it does look like some afternoon pop-up thunderstorms, showers and thunderstorms are possible Saturday afternoon and evening. Mainly areas more inland Delmarva, but still possible here at Wallops. We're going to continue to see that moisture stream into the area Saturday night, so that's going to give us a very warm and muggy Sunday morning with a low of only 71. And then we are going to be having a front start to really impact the area for Sunday. It is going to be a slow-moving front. It is going to be, looks like we are going to get some sunshine in the morning to help bump those temperatures up with those southwesterly winds, giving us a pretty warm day. And then we are going to be having some pretty high precipitable water values, so it's going to be pretty humid out there Sunday. And then by Sunday afternoon, that front should really start to impact much of the Delmarva. There is a chance we could be seeing another round of some pretty heavy rain as that front does look to be slow moving with some thunderstorm activity. Could be even seeing some training thunderstorms in a couple spots by Sunday afternoon. So definitely looking like a very wet and stormy day for our Sunday. Then Monday, that front will sag south of the area. Looks like it's, like I had said, going to be a slow-moving front, so it could stall out a bit across the Tidewater or far southern portions of the Delmarva, still giving us a lingering shower or two Monday morning before we get some more cooler temperatures with a northerly flow returning with a high of 75. That'll do it for your daily weather briefing. We'll be back tomorrow morning at 8:15 a.m. and at 10 a.m. Have a great day.